Multi-level marketing, often abbreviated as MLM, is a business strategy that relies on a network of distributors to sell products or services. Unlike traditional retail models, where sales typically go from the manufacturer to the retailer and finally to the consumer, MLM creates a commission-based structure where individuals or distributors sell products directly to consumers. This unique approach not only incentivizes sales, but also encourages distributors to recruit others, creating a tiered network of sales agents. As distributors ascend through the ranks, they can earn a percentage of the sales made by their recruits, which is where the term multi-level comes into play. One of the key advantages of MLM is the opportunity for individuals to start their own businesses with relatively low startup costs. Many MLM companies offer affordable starter kits that include product samples and marketing materials. This low barrier to entry makes it an attractive option for aspiring entrepreneurs. Furthermore, MLM allows participants to work at their own pace, providing flexibility that is often appealing to those balancing other commitments such as family or full-time jobs. This empowers individuals to create income streams on their own terms while promoting products they believe in. However, it's important to approach MLM with caution and due diligence. The industry is often criticized for its resemblance to pyramid schemes, which are illegal in many countries. In legitimate MLM programs, participants earn money primarily through the sale of goods or services rather than solely through recruitment. To protect yourself, thoroughly research the MLM company, its products, and its compensation plan. Look for transparency in earnings disclosures and seek reviews from current and former distributors to gauge their experiences. This informed approach will help you distinguish between a viable business opportunity and a potentially exploitative scheme. Moreover, successful participation in MLM requires strong sales skills, resilience, and a willingness to invest time in networking. Building a loyal customer base and expanding your distributor network are critical to achieving success. This means that effective communication, social media marketing, and relationship building skills are essential for those looking to excel in this field. While many participants find success and fulfillment in developing their own business, it's essential to recognize that not everyone will reach the same level of achievement. In conclusion, multi-level marketing offers a unique business opportunity that can empower individuals to become entrepreneurs with flexible work arrangements. By understanding the structure, the advantages, and the potential pitfalls of MLM, you can make informed decisions about whether it's the right path for you. If approached with the right mindset and diligent effort, MLM can be more than just a sales model. It can be a path to financial independence and personal growth. So, if you have passion for a product and the drive to succeed, MLM could be worth exploring.